So now that we know that the Torah is the food for the soul for this lifetime and also acts like a garment for our soul, and that it also is going to be likened to the dew that is going to be resurrecting ourselves when the time to come, when the resurrection of the dead will happen. But it also, we know, is food for our soul and a garment for our soul up in Shemaim, in Latid Lavo, in the future when we'll be in Gan Eden. Now I hope you will have a greater awe and a greater affinity toward Hashem's Torah. And I hope after learning this, you will really make a serious commitment to every day and every night study Torah. Because our soul gets dehydrated and it needs the nourishment day in and day out, Yomam V'Laila. And I know we all have very hectic, busy days, but once you start realizing how the lack of your learning Torah affects your day-to-day experience here on earth, just like you wouldn't say to yourself, well, I ate 3 weeks ago, what can I do? I'm busy. No, it's just like not part of the equation, right? You eat every day a few times a day. So too, your soul needs to be hydrated. It needs to be nourished. And learning Torah is part of that nutritional intake you need to have a most blissful and happier day. So, what's stopping you? Are you thinking you have to learn a whole chapter? Maybe just one paragraph. Commit to that one paragraph a day. Or maybe just one, sentence before you go to sleep. You're exhausted, but you're just going to do it. As the teaching goes, if you want to wake up like a chassid, you have to go to sleep like a chassid. So see a vision of yourself literally being drawn to the light of Hashem's Torah. See it as clear as day. That you're waking up maybe 5 or 10 minutes earlier so that you'll fit that in your schedule. And you really just see yourself in a real, that's like the basic standard of your day. You just don't not do it. Just like you don't not eat, or you don't not sleep. So do you see the vision? Even though you have 100 zillion things on your to-do list, you're taking care of yourself. You're taking care of your needs so that you can be the best that you can be for everybody else. And then see the vision of your face on fire with passion, and your face is ignited with such a look of joy and a calm energy, and it's just a whole different energy because you prayed and then you learned.